Kailan? Right.
Ito naman.
Pero ako lang.
Yun lang po ang aking masasabi dyan. So, iwanan na po natin yan. Sabi nga nila, a picture is worth 1,000 words and res ipsa loquitur. The thing speaks for itself. So, para hindi rin po kayong matagalan, kasi medyo late na po, nahihiya naman po sa inyo. Sorry to keep you waiting. Kasi akala namin mag-i-end na yung kabila to give our friends naman an opportunity. But it's okay. You are here. Yung kay Cassie Leong po, kung nasubaybayan niyo po yung last Wednesday, Cassie Leong had a breakdown. Her blood pressure plummeted down to 80/40. Kaya minarapat na po ng House Medical Director na siya po ay tignan at nung tinignan siya, sinabi kailangan padala agad sa ospital to arrest her medical condition. At para sa akin po, may mga comments ganito ganon, but you have to remember that since she was apprehended in Indonesia, Miss Cassandra Leong has been subjected to a lot of psychological and mental torment and torture. Unang-una po, again, I would like to repeat, doon po sa NBI custody ay iginalang po lahat ng kanyang rights. Pati kanyang right to counsel, lahat ng kanyang political rights under the Constitution. Again, I would like to thank Director Jimmy Santiago for that. Alam po niya yan kasi abogado siya, dating judge.